Hello grade 12. Today let's continue what we have last time, and starting by physical equation and how the language of physics happened. As I told you last time that if I have italic letter in the equation, this means I have variable, but the unit is with normal font. Okay. Let's have a video to explain what we are talking about in the evaluation physics equation. Okay.
Dimensional analysis and estimation help you to check the accuracy of your calculations. Suppose we are about to take a trip to a city 725 kilometers away. We expect our average speed to be 88 kilometers per hour. How long will the trip take? We first verify that we have set up the equation correctly by making sure the dimensions of the answer are what we expect. Only one combination of speed and distance will have the proper dimensions to give us the time.
Okay, here, this is the distance I will travel, and this is the speed my car will move with. What is the time I will take to take this journey by moving with this speed? I need to know the equation. Of course, starting from the equation of speed, which equal distance over time. What will be the time equal comparing with distance and speed? Let's check this.
Does time equal speed times distance?
Of course, no.
No. Does time equal speed divided by distance?
Also no.
No. But since the dimensions of speed divided by distance worked out to 1 divided by time, we next try the inverse equation. Does time equal distance divided by speed? Yes. This equation gives the correct dimensions.
Okay, so from this equation I get that the time equal distance over speed. And now let's go for next thing.
To estimate the answer, we make an order of magnitude approximation by rounding each quantity to the nearest power of 10. We find that the trip should take about 10 hours. An exact calculation shows that the trip would actually take 8.2 hours, a number in keeping with our estimate and having the proper dimensions and units.
Okay, 10 power of 3 is 1,000 and 88 kilometer per hour is this. The result will be, of course, here this is like 10 power of 2, because 88 approximately 100 kilometer, which is 10 power of 2. Let's go back for my PowerPoints. Multiple choice. What area of physics deal with the subject of heat and temperature? Of course, heat and temperature is thermodynamic. Question number 2. What area of physics deal with behavior of subatomic particle? Of course, thermodynamics. What term describe a set of particle or interacting component considered to be a distinct physical entity for a purpose of study? System. What is the SI based unit for length? Of course, meter. A light year, Ly, is a unit of a distance defined as the distance light travel in 1 year. Numerically, 1 light year equal this number. How many meters are in the light year? Of course, this is kilometers. To change it into meter first, let's make it standard number. This is 95 times 10 power of 3, 6, 9, and 2 is 11. This is 95 times 10 power of 11. To change from kilometer to meter, this will be 10 power of 3 more. So 11 and 3 will be 14. So 9.5 10 power of 14, or if I want this shape, so 9.5 will be 10 power of 15. This will be the results. Okay, Next question. If you do not keep your line of sight directly over a lens measurement, how will your measurement most likely be affected? Your measurement will be less accurate. ودي اللي كنا بنقول عليها parallax. Parallax mean your eye must be horizontally with the surface of the liquid, for example, or vertically perpendicular on the ruler measurement. Okay, if you measured the length of a pencil by using the meter stick shown in the figure and you report your measurement in centimeters, how many significant figure should your reported measurement have? Hina I have this is 18 and this is 19, this is 18 and a half. So let's check this. We have three significant figure because you have 18.5. Okay. A room is measured to be 3.6 meter by 5.8 meter. What is the area of the room? Keeping significant figure in mind. 3.6 times 5.8 if you want to calculate the area, and the result will be 21 square meter. What technique can help you determine the power of the 10 closest to the actual numerical value of a quantity? Order of magnitude estimation. Which of the following statement is true of any valid physical equation? Both sides have the same dimension. If I'm talking about kilometer per second in one side, the other side must be kilometer per second. The graph showing the relation between time and distance for a ball dropped vertically from wrist, use the graph to answer the question from 11 to 12 about how far has the ball fallen after 20 seconds. 0.20 seconds. Okay, so 0.20 seconds from the time here, this is 0.20 seconds, and the distance will be like this, 20 meters. 20 centimeters. Okay. Which statement is describe the relationship between the variable? Number 1. For equal time interval, the change in position. Okay, let's check the answer, which is for equal time interval, the change in position is increasing. Every time increasing, the distance increasing. Determine the number of significant figure in which of the following measurements. The first one we have 2, the second one we have 3, the fourth one we have 3, and the fifth one we have 4. Calculate the following sum and express the answer in meter. Follow the rule for significant figure. Okay, we have add and we have multiplying before add, so the result will be 26,897 meter. Check the answer, and if you have problem you can send me a message. Demonstrate how dimensional analysis can be used to find the dimension that results from dividing distance by speed. Okay, distance okay, just a minute. Okay, so let's answer this question. The question: demonstrate how dimensional analysis can be used to find the dimension that results from dividing distance over speed. Distance over speed. Distance is a distance. Speed is distance over time. So we have here distance divide distance over time, which means distance multiply time over distance. Let's check this together. We have here the first distance divide speed is distance over time. Let's change it into multiply and inverse this one. So it will be distance multiply time over distance. Distance multiply time over distance. Removing distance with distance, the result will be by time. So dividing distance over velocity, the result will be time. So we checked now that time equal distance over velocity. You have decided to test the effects of 4 different garden fertilizers by applying them to 4 separate rows of vegetables. What factors should you control? How could you measure the result? Okay, because the type of fertilizer is a variable being tested, all other factors should be controlled. As I told you before, when you test one variable, you must remove the other variable by make them fixed or constant, including the type of vegetable, the amount of water, and the amount of sunshine. A 5th row with no fertilizer could be used as the control group. Results could be measured by size, quantity, appearance, and taste. Question number 17. In a paragraph, describe how you could estimate the number of blades of grass on a football field. Okay, paragraph should describe process similar to the following. First, you could count the number of blades of grass in a small area such as 10 centimeter. Let's check a small area, 10 centimeter, how many grass in this area. Then you divide the area of the whole football field on the 10 centimeter to find how many 10 centimeter in the area. In this case, the result will be, for example, 600. Multiply the 600 by the number of the grass in each 10 centimeter. It will give you the total grass in the whole field. Okay. And now it's checking what we have in this chapter, and we will do this next time. Thank you for your time, and I hope find you right. If you have any question until the next session, I will be available anytime. Thank you for attending the session, and please check if you have any question. You can send me your question anytime. Bye.